This feature makes it easier than ever to engage and disengage the parking brake. Simply lift the button to set the brake, and to release it, just depress the brake pedal and push the button down. So it kind of works like a manual parking brake. With manual transmissions, it's important to note that the engine will not start unless the electric parking brake is applied. It's a good habit to set the electronic parking brake when shutting off the vehicle. The electric parking brake will also release automatically when the accelerator is pressed, assuming the driver's seatbelt is fastened and the transmission is in gear. When you engage the automatic brake hold feature by pressing that button located in front of the electric parking brake, the brakes will remain engaged even at a stop, even after the pedal is released, until you press the accelerator. It makes driving in stop-and-go traffic much more convenient. Note that the button must be pressed each time the ignition is shut off and restarted to use this feature. If the automatic brake hold feature is active for more than 10 minutes, or if the driver's seatbelt is unfastened while the automatic brake hold button is on, the system will automatically cancel and apply the electric parking brake. The electric parking brake will release automatically when the accelerator is depressed.